Bitcoin is continuing this uptrend. Right here it looks like we are forming a rising wedge formation, but guys, is it possible that Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to a top? And guys, in today's video we are going to have a talk about that, and I'm going to show you the following chart, which is the Puel multiple, which can be a very significant chart in predicting where Bitcoin might be topping out in the near future. So guys, today is going to be a very important video. Make sure you drop a like, leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for the best crypto videos on YouTube. Right now guys, before we are jumping into the price analysis of Bitcoin, I want to do two things. First thing, let's take with every single one of us, like always, 1 single minute, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel guys, and we can ensure that this video is going to be pushed to as much people as possible, because this is a very important video about where we might be seeing the next Bitcoin top. Then second thing guys I want to do before jumping into the Bitcoin price action, I want to share two comments which I received recently, and one from Julius Truths. I want to thank you guys for all your nice comments lately, and Julius is saying best technical analysis on YouTube, and we got another comment from How Sita Stes, and he's stating, if anyone watching this is new to crypto, the Blockchain Today is a great source of unbiased, unhyped analysis, far better than a lot of other channels. And guys, this is exactly what I want to do with this YouTube channel right here. I want to deliver unbiased and unhyped news. Of course, sometimes I know the thumbnails, they can scream a certain emotion. That is basically just how YouTube works, guys. So for the people who get annoyed by that, I want to ask you to just ignore the extreme thumbnails now and then. But yeah, just focus on the content, because I'm really trying to present to you guys here the best analysis I can give after I'm doing my research as a trader. So guys, I think that is important to know that I'm here for you guys. I'm here to present you a unbiased and unhyped analysis in these videos. So guys, let's first of all jump into the Bitcoin price action. And Bitcoin is actually looking quite interesting, still following the plan from us, right? We broke above previous all-time high. We saw a accelerated move to the upside, which we as well expected. Right now we came down. We backtested former resistance, previous all-time high, as the new support. And it looks like that Bitcoin from these levels wants to see a bounce, which makes a lot of sense. And we even see the bounce above the previous all-time high, which means that the buyers are already stepping in before the level actually hit the exact previous all-time high here, which normally is a bullish sign for the shorter term time frame. Then guys, when we are looking at the Bitcoin price action right now, then it's actually looking quite interesting, and it looks like Bitcoin is starting to form a pattern right here, which really looks like a rising wedge pattern. We have a uprising resistance, we have a uprising support in a narrowing pattern, and as most of you guys know, a rising wedge pattern is a bearish pattern. But I think in this exact example it is slightly different, because we've entered this pattern from a uptrend, and right now we have just such huge bullish momentum in the price of Bitcoin, which as well could mean that we are breaking the resistance of the rising wedge, and we are going to see a even more extreme parabolic, a more accelerated uptrend. There are some warning signals to watch before, or some things need to happen before this actually can happen. And that is, first of all, I want to look at the daily time frame and show you guys. I've been pointing this out as well. This is something slightly to worry about. That is a bearish divergence. We have a declining resistance in the RSI, which means that the momentum is getting lower and lower behind the pumps that we are seeing, behind the rallies that we are seeing in Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin wants to break above the resistance right here and see another accelerated move to the upside, we also need to break the resistance right here in the RSI. That makes sense, I hope. But guys, do take in mind, it is as well possible that eventually we are going to test the resistance right here and eventually break the support and going to see a move to the downside. Guys, that is definitely possible. I would definitely be prepared for both scenarios. And I think one of the most important signals in this, in this pattern is that we have a very detailed, a very good look at the momentum behind these moves. If we were to break the resistance right here on the RSI, that is definitely very bullish and could definitely spike a huge momentum rally in the price of Bitcoin. However, guys, if we keep on getting rejected from these levels and we might even break support, like for example, we have a uptrending support coming in right here and we break it to the downside, then that could be a bearish sign, especially in combination with breaking the uptrending support of the rising wedge pattern. So this is something you need to take in mind for the bigger picture right now in the Bitcoin chart. And guys, the next resistance at the rising wedge formation is at approximately 68 to 69,000. And right now I want to show you a signal on the weekly time frame, which is as well a bearish divergence, which we could be forming as well what we are seeing on the daily time frame. So right here on the RSI, we can see that we have a declining resistance coming in, and the weekly RSI is going towards this level again, which could mean that eventually we could be forming a double bearish divergence, right? So we make a top, we make another top, which is a higher high, but in the RSI we are doing the opposite. We are making tops, but these tops are lower highs, which eventually are bearish divergences. And yeah, guys, to remind you, a bearish divergence is not that dangerous unless we are breaking a key support level. But guys, if we were to see these bearish divergences and Bitcoin is breaking the uptrending support of this rising wedge formation, then I would definitely see that as a bearish sign, and I would expect a further drop in the price of Bitcoin. Then guys, before we are jumping into the pure multiple chart, for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, I have affiliate links to all the exchanges that I'm using personally down below my video. And if you sign up using my affiliate link, you can get a extra additional bonus. So if you sign up on the Femix platform using my affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus of $100. If you want to sign up on the Prime XBT platform, where you can copy other investors and traders as well, you will get a 50% deposit bonus if you sign up using my affiliate link down below. And of course, we have the Bybit exchange, and if you sign up on the Bybit exchange using my affiliate link, you will get a $100 bonus when you deposit 0.2 Bitcoin. So guys, for all the traders out there who are interested in signing up on one of these exchanges, you can find all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment. But yeah, guys, so far still everything is good. Bitcoin backtested previous all-time high. We are still holding above this level. So in the short-term time frame, in the immediate short-term time frame, I expect a bounce in the Bitcoin price, and I expect Bitcoin to continue this uptrend. Then guys, I want to have a look with you at the following chart, which is the pure multiple chart. And this is actually a very interesting chart because this chart has been quite accurate in predicting the tops in the Bitcoin price. So guys, what is the pure multiple graph actually doing? Well, the pure multiple is an equation where they take the daily issuance of Bitcoin, which the miners get, of course, but not calculated in the amount of Bitcoin, but calculated in the US dollar equivalent. And next to that, guys, they dividing that number by the 365 moving average of the daily issuance of Bitcoin equivalent in US dollars. So this is actually quite interesting. And if we can see right here, the moments when the pure multiple is entering the red area right here, we can see that Bitcoin is overbought and is actually getting closer to a top. Every time Bitcoin has seen a top, the pure multiple was right here in the red zone. But now comes the interesting part, guys, and that is that if you have a close look at this chart, you can actually see a form of a trend, and that is a declining resistance. So that's what I did, guys. I've drawn a declining resistance over the pure multiple right here, and then you can see that every time the pure multiple is hitting this resistance level, Bitcoin actually topped out. And guys, that is very interesting, of course, because could that mean that right here, if we are getting closer right here to that same resistance area, which we have touched a lot of times in the past, and every time we touch that level, we have seen a local top in the Bitcoin chart. Could it mean that right now, if we are coming to these levels again, that Bitcoin is going to see a local top? I think it's very interesting, guys, and I think it does align if we have a look at the logarithmic regression of Bitcoin, right? We have seen a major rally so far, and I think if the price of Bitcoin can continue to push higher right here in the immediate short-term time frame, we could be seeing a early local top from the bull market, and we could actually be replicating something we have seen in the first bull market of Bitcoin. So right here, where Bitcoin made a top, right here, and afterwards we saw a huge correction, and afterwards we made a second top. So that the bull market that we are seeing right now is looking in generally more like the bull market we have seen right here than the bull market we have seen in 2016, 2017, where Bitcoin just had a slow increase in uptrend and just eventually started to accelerate it more and more and more and peaked out and had a final blow off top. So guys, right here in this bull market, we have seen a double peak, which is as well something that is possible right now. And I think this is very interesting, and I'm going to watch this chart closely. And if you want to get notified whenever the Puel multiple is going to hit this exact resistance level, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload that video when the Puel multiple is hitting this resistance level. Then guys, I want to have a quick talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum for me is just looking very, very interesting, and we are approaching the previous all-time high right here at approximately roughly $2,000. And guys, I do think personally, if we can break decisively above the previous all-time high, $2,000, then I think that could definitely spark a huge rally in the Ethereum price in US dollar comparative, and might be as well in the Bitcoin comparative. But yeah, that is something we have seen with Bitcoin as well, right? The moment we broke above previous all-time high, we are seeing a accelerated rally, and I think there is a lot of momentum boiling up in the background of Ethereum, and I do think that the moment we break above the previous all-time high, there is a high likelihood we are going to see a accelerated rally to the upside. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you all enjoyed today's video, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. And guys, I think this is one of the more special videos, right? We have a very nice chart right here, which could predict the next local Bitcoin top. It doesn't have to be the cycle top of Bitcoin, but it can definitely predict the local Bitcoin top. And I think it is important that a lot of people are aware of this chart. And yeah, so therefore I want to ask every single one of you to share this video with as much people as possible. Then guys, for every single one of you who want to become a profitable cryptocurrency trader, I've created a cryptocurrency trading course where you will learn everything that you need to know in order to become a profitable cryptocurrency trader based on your terms as a trader. You can find more information at theblockchaintoday.com, and I have a link to my website down below in the description as well. Then for every single one of you who hasn't seen one of my tutorials, you can go over there, have a look at those, and I'm seeing every single one of you in the next video.